guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm back with 4 fall outfits. We're gonna style them, build the outfits, and chitty chat. It's like 40 degrees outside. It's actually freezing, but I mean it's gonna be 80 by the end of the week. But nonetheless, I'm excited for my 4 fall outfits. I've got some new stuff, some stuff I've never put together, and then yeah, some outfits that have just been racking around in my brain. I also did my hair in hot rollers for the first time in like years, probably a long time, and this volume is actually insane. So yeah, I'm happy to see how it falls. This is 2 hours and it hasn't fallen at all. I used to love hot rollers. I used to wear them like every single day, but nonetheless, let's get into the outfits. I'm freezing, so I can't wait to put some clothes on. But yeah, let's start with the first outfit. I recently grabbed this scarf from Free People. I talked about it in my winter wish list. I'll throw it up in the cards, and I want to style it. So let's see. I already took the tag off of it, so I'm keeping it, but I'm still interested to see if how I envision styling it is going to work. If not, I might have to go back to the drawing board, but let's start. Let's start by putting on a Goldie 90s pinch waist. Brr. It is freezing in this house right now. These jeans are cold too. Okay, let's put these on. I'm gonna put on my little white Uniqlo t-shirt as well. Oh my goodness. Let's just pop that on. Virtual white tee on. Messed up my eyebrows. Literally always do. Shillelagh. Okay, let's tuck in our white tee. This hair is crazy today. I've even brushed it and put oil on it. And normally if I do that with any other curls, they would be falling. It's kind of crazy how well these are sticking. I also did use a new mousse today. I guess that could be it. Anyway, let's tuck our tee all the way around. I just picked up this tee in medium as well, which the medium fits pretty good as well, and I grabbed it in a large, or not a large, this isn't a large. I grabbed it in the black one as well. These are just like some of my favorite tees from Uniqlo. So good. Okay, next up, brown flats. This hair is crazy, guys. I can't get over how like curly it is. When I first brushed it, it was like so poofy. But like even when I brush it, it just still stays so fluffy. It's kind of crazy. A little tamed, but it's still crazy. Anyway, okay, let's put on our balance. Guys, I finally started buying some like finishing touches of like furniture and stuff for the house. I bought nightstands. I bought them from Pottery Barn. I decided to go with these ones. They're really big. I'm so excited to actually have like drawers that can fit stuff in it, because my little ones from West Elm, I love our nightstands from West Elm. They've been great. We're gonna put them in the guest bedroom. But they're just so tiny, so it's gonna be nice to have like a full-sized dresser. Those don't get here until like close to the end of the month. I am super excited that companies like that have stopped like making you do like the expensive delivery, because I remember when we got our West Elm, like our dresser and our bookshelf and our nightstands, we had to pay like $400 like white glove delivery, and like I just don't care. There's no like assembly needed. It was just annoying. But anyway. It is going to kind of be annoying to like carry them, but it's the front door, so it'll be fine. I ordered that. I ordered a rug for our dining room, so that'll be finished, which I'm excited about. Hopefully I'll like it. And then what else have I ordered? I went antiquing this weekend. And here I've unlocked my like new love affair of old stuff. Like there is something so just like nostalgic about old things. Okay, I've always loved old things. I've always loved antique things. But even more when they have like kind of a meaning to them. Like, for instance, like I was just like going through, like, went to the antique mall in Plano, and I'm seeing like old Tupperware. You know the Tupperwares that had like those like lined tops? Do you know what I'm talking about? It was like yellow, and like I visually, like I remember that bowl like with pasta salad in it in the fridge. Like I just remember certain things like so vividly. I don't know. I just love it. Not that I bought Tupperware, but I'm just saying, like, I don't know. I bought 2 new pictures. I just bought some cute stuff. I was in love, and I spent so much time just wandering through the aisles because it's so fun. So I'm excited to go back again as well. Like I said, I've never gone like antiquing. I've gone to not thrift store, flea markets, and thrift stores, but never antique shopping, and it was really freaking fun. Okay. So, oops, girl, no, don't ruin you already. Okay, so I have my little jacket on. Okay, this is the scarf that I just grabbed from Free People, and I'm excited to style this. This hair is so much, you guys. I'm so sorry. I'm sure you don't care because it's not for you. Okay, anyway, I think I'm gonna do the light one. I've seen people like hold it together with like a ring or something, so hopefully I don't know if I have anything to like do that with. Dang it, but I guess I'll just tie it in a knot this time. But I want to try the little like ring hack where people just put like a little ring around it. But anyways, this is adorable. This hair is too much though, I will say. Oh, this is so cute. It's so comfortable. So cozy. Oh, I love this. Can you like see it in the back? Probably not because of my hair. So this is how I like envisioned styling it. I think this is so cute. I'm gonna some glasses. Adorable. This is so cute. I love this so much. I want it in like every color. I really like the brown tones though with the little pop of red. So cute. What do y'all think? Would you wear a little triangle scarf thing like this? It's actually super soft. Kind of bandana-y. This is adorable. I love this. So cute. And I love this suede jacket that I got from Fabrique last year. So cute. Okay. Look at number 1. I think we nailed it. I love all the browns, and I love how this just kind of livens up the look, but feels very intentional. So this was look number 1. Let's move on to look number 2. Look number 2, we're going all black on black on black, which is what I'm always a favorite of mine. Okay, so let's build that outfit. What is my sweater? Oh, water drops because I was steaming. Okay. Yes to this scarf. This is so cute. You see how the other side is brown? So I could have done brown, but I liked the white with the brown. Adorable. Adorable. Okay. Let's move on to look number 2. So look number 2, like I said, we're going black on black on black. I am going to keep my little white tee on, because I like to, for like sweater outfits. So let's pop on my little black poplin cotton skirt from Quince. We're going to pop that on for the bottoms. This is big. I wish I had gotten a smaller size. This isn't a size small. It's just huge, but it's fine. Okay. In the sweet tee. I guess it's nice though because I can make it more full length if I wanted to. Okay. For shoes, I'm gonna go with my little furry Grinch ones that I love. Okay, and then so the green is kind of really dark, so you don't really see that it's fully green, but that's okay. My little Quince cashmere sweater. Ooh. I swear, if somebody was like, where's, like, you could only shop at one place for the rest of your life, where would it be? It would be Quince. It would be Quince. Love it. Okay. Silver would look really great with this outfit as well instead of the gold, but feeling very floofy. Cute little updo. I was debating if I wanted to put a belt around my waist, but I don't have it, so looks like that's not happening. And I would probably carry my little sunblock bag to tie in the green from the shoes. Cute though. I like this. Yeah. Like, let me show you just like with full instance. I was thinking my little black belts, but like I said, I only have my brown one up here, and I wouldn't do my brown one. I would do the black one. It also looks really cute, and it's kind of a cute little like peekaboo moment, you know what I mean? So would probably do my black one with the gold detailing to match my gold jewelry, but it's downstairs and I don't feel like running downstairs. So this was look number 2. I love it. Okay, let's move on to look number 3. Is that the heat? We're breaking out my little silk pants from Quince in that like, I think it's called wine tasting color. Love, favorite color. I have had this idea for this outfit for a minute now, so let's see if it comes together and looks cute, shall we? I'm gonna put some sneakers on, so let's pop on some socks really quick. And it's great because my feet are freezing. Okay, let's put on our silk pants really quick. And then I'm gonna leave the white tee on. I'm gonna put on my sneakers. I think these might look cute, my little gazelle bolts. Very excited. You guys, I got to cancel our electricity and our gas today at the townhome because it's no longer ours. I'm so excited. Relief. Relief is all I will say. So glad it's done. Okay. So I think these will be a cute, like, casual way to wear these pants versus like with flats or heels. Yeah, once they're on, you don't really see the orange, you just see the tan. Okay. It's so warm, this heat feels so good. Freezing. And my thought process was to wear my little denim. Oh, let's tie my pants. These shoes squeak so bad, it's quite annoying. I've never got them to stop. So I just embrace it. I think I'm gonna button this up anyways so I won't see where it's tucked. Okay, I'm gonna button it all the way. This hair, I cannot get over how stinking curly it is still. This is craziness. So I was thinking of doing the bottom to unbuttoned, kind of let it pop out, maybe 3. Cute. Okay, and then most not least, okay, this doesn't slap as hard as I thought it would. It's cute, don't get me wrong, but it's not like as good as what my vision was. Look number 3. Let's move on to the 4th and final look. Okay, so look number 4. I'm gonna put back on my olive green pants because they're like my favorite from Uniqlo. Let's just pop those on. I think I'm taking my socks off too. Ooh, no, I don't want to because my feet are cold. But, oops. Let's pop them on. I'm going to take off the white tee too. I'm gonna put on my little Quince cardigan. I now own this in navy, brown, gray, and green. So good. Such a good cardigan. It's not cheap, but I feel like these cardigans I'll have in my wardrobe forever. So, okay. Oh, I love these pants so much. I was just in Uniqlo the other day grabbing Arlo's jacket and like everything, which was so good because it was 30 degrees this morning. He needed it. What was I gonna say? And I was debating on getting these in other colors. They're so good. Okay, well, let's put on our gray cardigan. So these shrink quite a bit when you wash them, so that's why I got them in like the large. I think I got it in large because I knew it would shrink. So just keep that in mind when I'm wearing this now, that it's going to shrink. So that's why I got it a little bit bigger. But I have liked wearing my sweaters like this where it's open in the front, but I tuck it in to kind of give it a little bit of like shape in the back. And it kind of gathers here. I like that. Okay. Next up, I've been wearing these so much. I wore these antiquing, my little boat shoes. Words, yeah, that I still haven't changed the laces up that I say I want to every single time I put them on, but I never do. Alas. This is like the most perfect fall outfit. Cute. I wear these with my Gap barrel jeans for the weekend, which I forgot how much I love them, but look. Number 4. So cute. I love these cardigans. They just give it effortless, chic, cute, adorable. These are my glasses. So cute. And then I was thinking, let's just try, because I don't know what this would look like. But let's just try. See how I feel about this. Yeah, this is cute too. Oh, I love these. It's giving Boy Scouts. Arlo wears like a little neck scarf like this, which he needs to wear tonight to his Cub Scouts meeting. I need to make sure that it's ironed. This is cute. This adds like a little bit of a detail if you wanted. It's so cozy and comfy. I love this. Look, number 4. I think we nailed it. I like it with this. It's not necessary, but it adds like a fun element, and it's so easy. So I love it. All right, that was look number 4, the 4th and final look. As always, I love to know what your favorite outfit was in the comments down below. I think they were all fun. The black outfit didn't hit as hard as I thought it would, to be honest with you. Like, it was kind of like, but I think that's because I didn't have the belts. And honestly, next time I would try it with like a tighter top. I think it was too loose on loose, giving a little House on the Prairie sort of look. But anyway, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one very, very soon.